Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Chinese lemon chicken. It's crispy, battered chicken breast pieces smothered in sweet and tangy lemon sauce. For our ingredients, we have boneless chicken breast, eggs, salt and pepper, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, oil for frying, lemon juice, sugar, water, sesame seeds, sliced green onions, and grated lemon zest. Here we're going to start with making our lemon sauce. Here we're going to add our lemon juice. Next we're going to add our sugar. Next we're going to add some water. And we're going to mix all this together and we're going to bring it to a simmer. And once we bring it to a simmer, we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch and water to thicken up our sauce. And then we're going to add in our lemon zest. We're going to bring our sauce to a boil. We're going to cook and stir constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the sauce has thickened up. Now we're going to move on to making our chicken. You want to get 2 separate bowls. And we're going to place our eggs, salt, and pepper into one bowl. And then in the next bowl, we're going to add our flour, our cornstarch, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're just going to mix everything until it has combined. And once we finish mixing our cornstarch, flour, and salt and pepper together, we're going to move on and we're going to mix our egg together. Now you want to dip each piece of chicken into your egg mixture and then into your flour mixture. You want to repeat this process with all of your chicken. Here's our chicken. This is just the beginning of it. We dipped it in egg and then we dipped it in flour. You can also dip it in flour first, then dip it into your egg and then back into your flour. That gives it a nice crispy crust. You want to heat at least 3 inches of oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees. And you want to add anywhere from 7 to 8 pieces of chicken into your pan and cook for about 5 minutes or until your chicken is crispy and golden. We're going to repeat this process with the remaining of our chicken. Now we're going to drain our chicken onto our paper towel. When I'm almost finished cooking all my chicken, I do heat up my sauce a little bit to get it warm, not too hot because I'm going to pour it over my hot chicken. And here's my chicken. I'm taking it off the paper towel, as you can see. I added some lemon zest to the top of my chicken. And then I poured the lemon sauce on the top of my chicken. And I'm just going to toss it around. Now here I'm just plating up my lemon chicken. This chicken was so good. The sauce was so yummy. The sauce is not too thick, but thick enough. And it's so good. I did garnish my chicken with some green onions. And then I put a little slice of lemon on the top, just for decorations. And we have made Chinese lemon chicken. If you like this video and you want to see more like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.